Your credit score is one of the most important factors when it comes to your financial health. It determines whether you can get approved for loans, credit cards, and other financial products, as well as the interest rate you'll pay on those loans. In this video, we'll discuss 10 tips to improve your credit score. 1. Check your credit report regularly. The first step to improving your credit score is to check your credit report regularly. This will help you identify any errors or inaccuracies that may be affecting your score. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. 2. Pay your bills on time. One of the most important factors in your credit score is your payment history. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your score. To avoid late payments, set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you always pay your bills on time. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization, or the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit, is another important factor in your credit score. To improve your score, keep your credit utilization below 30%. If you have a high utilization rate, consider paying down your balances or requesting a credit limit increase. 4. Don't close old credit accounts. Closing old credit accounts can actually hurt your credit score. Your credit history is an important factor in your score, so keeping old accounts open can help you maintain a long credit history and improve your score. 5. Don't apply for too much credit at once. Each time you apply for credit, it can have a temporary negative impact on your score. To avoid this, limit your credit applications and only apply for credit when you really need it. 6. Diversify your credit types. Having a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can improve your credit score. This shows lenders that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. 7. Keep your credit accounts open. Keeping your credit accounts open, even if you're not using them, can help improve your credit score. This shows lenders that you have a long credit history and can manage credit responsibly. 8. Dispute inaccuracies on your credit report. If you find inaccuracies on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureau. Inaccuracies can negatively impact your score, so it's important to get them corrected as soon as possible. 9. Reduce your debt-to-income ratio. Your debt-to-income ratio is the amount of debt you have compared to your income. To improve your credit score, try to reduce your debt-to-income ratio by paying down debt or increasing your income. 10. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to improve your credit score on your own, consider seeking professional help. Credit counseling agencies and financial advisors can provide guidance and resources to help you improve your score. Improving your credit score takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. By following these tips and practicing responsible credit habits, you can improve your score and achieve your financial goals. Remember to check your credit report regularly. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low. And seek professional help if needed. With these steps, you can improve your credit score and take control of your financial future.